Hello traders, so many people are wondering, will this Forex thing last forever? Is it worth it to put in those 2 to 3 years? That's what it takes to become consistently profitable, and then for your edge to just disappear, and now you have wasted those 2 to 3 years when you could have been learning some other skill with which you would be able to make money for the next 10, 20, 30 years. So the question is Forex gonna be gone in a few months, maybe in a few years, maybe 10, 20, 30 years? What's the time span in which you can make money from Forex? Because it takes a lot of work to become consistently profitable, and I mean a lot. Spending 2 to 3 years of your life just learning to trade, making little to no money, that's a big period of your life. So if you decide that Forex is for you, you really need to commit. So people who have just found out about Forex are definitely looking at other opportunities to make money, maybe trading stocks, maybe trading something different, maybe some other sort of a business, let's say affiliate marketing, or maybe real estate, or whichever other thing you have. Well, the truth is we don't know. We don't know if maybe tomorrow we will no longer be able to trade currencies. Maybe some new development will happen, maybe some legislation will be passed, maybe they will not allow retail traders to trade anymore. We just don't know what will happen. But guess what? It also doesn't matter. So currencies have been traded for a really long time now, and I believe they're not going anywhere in the near future. The world depends on currencies. The whole global economy actually depends on the currencies being traded, and Forex is the biggest market that you can trade. So I believe Forex and currency trading will be here for the next 10, 20, 30 years. Maybe it will be replaced by crypto, Bitcoin, or whichever other payment option you have, but that will all definitely take a lot of time. A great thing about trading is that we are not bound to Forex trading. If you learn how to trade, if you learn how to be consistently profitable, if you learn about discipline, psychology, proper risk management, and how to build a strategy, well, you can apply that knowledge on any sort of an asset. So you can trade stocks, you can trade bonds, you can trade energy, you can trade oil. Your knowledge that you learn when trading Forex can be applied anywhere. So we as traders don't really care if Forex will be here tomorrow or maybe it's gone tomorrow, because guess what? There's so many other things that you can trade. There is so much opportunity out there that if something happened to Forex, we'll just switch, maybe start trading crypto, maybe start trading stocks, maybe even start trading gold, whichever you want. A consistently profitable trader is a consistently profitable trader, no matter what he's trading. By learning to trade Forex, you will learn the basics that you need to know, as I said, to become a consistently profitable trader. Trading is risk management, psychology, and strategy. So if you learn those 3 key pillars while trading Forex, you can apply that knowledge to any sort of asset. Forex is just an instrument that we trade. It doesn't define us. It is just the way that we extract the money from the markets. Our knowledge can be applied to so many more markets. There will always be an opportunity to make money. There will always be an opportunity to discover your edge, and there will always be room for traders to extract money from the markets. Now that margin is really small, as we know only about 5%, maybe even less, actually succeed in this game. But if you have what it takes, it will definitely be worth it. And I would say that that is a skill that you can apply for your whole life if that is something that you desire to do. Now I know that some traders actually experience burnout after, let's say, 10 or 15 years of trading. They're just done. But guess what? In those 10 to 15 years, they have made so much money that they now have enough for 10 lifetimes. So for me, I don't care if Forex disappears. I'll just switch to trading something else. I'm sharpening my 3 key pillars, which are psychology, risk management, and strategy. I can develop another strategy. I can find another edge. I just need to keep my psychology in check. I need to be disciplined, and I need to keep putting in that work. That is what really matters. Why did I choose to trade Forex? Well, for me, it seems like the safest option. You're betting on countries and not individual stocks or maybe crypto. I would say crypto and stocks are a bit more riskier than Forex, and Forex is readily available to trade here in Europe. So that's kind of the reason why I'm trading Forex, but I can confidently say that my knowledge can be applied to any sort of asset. Some traders are also wondering, will prop firms last forever? So you have FTMO, you have MyForexFunds. FTMO link will be in the description, definitely check it out. What happens if you build the maximum capital? So let's say you get 400k from FTMO, let's say you get 600k from MyForexFunds, and now you have $1 million in funded capital. And what if tomorrow maybe a new legislation has been passed, or maybe those 2 prop firms experience liquidity issues and they have to be closed down? Well, now you have lost all of your equity, you have lost all of your trading capital, and you are left at zero. Now you can't even make any profits to live off of. So that can really be a big problem. I remember some prop firms having liquidity issues, closing down traders' accounts, not giving out profits. So it's definitely a real thing. I mean, tomorrow there can be a new law that bans these prop firms, and then what happens to your account? Well, you're left to dry. That's why I say the main goal with these prop firms is to...
My main goal is to blow up.
build your own personal account. No one can take your personal account away from you. There are no limits on your personal account. So once you make those profits from FTMO or MyForexFunds or whichever other prop firm you use, put those profits into your personal account and build that personal account. That is how you actually start trading huge money. Now it's your own personal capital. And that's what the professional traders do. They leverage these prop firms to build their personal capital, and their main goal is to move away from the prop firms and to 100% focus on trading their personal account. It doesn't matter if a prop firm goes bust tomorrow, you will still have your personal capital. You will still be able to trade consistently, and you will still be able to take out money from the markets, make some profits, and of course live off of those profits. And that is exactly my plan. I want to max out the funding from FTMO, from my Forex funds, put the profits into my personal account, maybe get one more prop firm in there. But my main goal is to leverage these prop firms, build my personal account, and then completely switch to trading my personal capital where there are no rules, no limits. The psychological impact is much lower and I can risk that full 1%. So with the prop firms, a big problem is that I have to reduce my risk. I would recommend reducing your risk to 0.25% just to be safe. Again, the drawdown limit is around 10 to 12%, but if you're risking 0.25% per trade, that gives you a 40 trade drawdown, and that is not really likely to happen. 10 trade drawdown, 20 trade drawdown, now that can happen, but I would say at 40 trade drawdown you are pretty safe, especially if you're at the level where you are consistently profitable. So I want to be risking that full 1%, and I just can't do that with a prop firm. It's just not safe. There is a high risk of blowing the account. So with a prop firm account, there is a long time to grind and actually build up maybe a buffer and then to start actually taking out profits. But if you have a huge personal account, well, you can then risk 1% from the start. I personally would not go above 1%. I think that's definitely enough. If you have a 100k personal account, 1% is $1,000. So if you make 5 to 10%, that's 5 to 10k, and that's a lot of money. So you can definitely see trading your personal capital is so much more worth it than relying solely on the prop firms. So to sum up, we just don't know what will happen in the future. We don't know if Forex will be here or not be here. We don't know if FTMO or MyForexFunds will be here tomorrow or maybe disappear, but it does not matter. Only thing that matters is building those skills, becoming a consistently profitable trader, building the processes, building your discipline, working on your psychology, and then you can apply that knowledge to anything. If tomorrow a new law is passed that bans Forex trading, guess what? I'll just switch to stocks. Or if maybe FTMO goes bust tomorrow, I will still have my personal account. I will go to some other prop firm, get the funding, get the profits, build that personal account, and I will still be pretty safe. So you always must focus on the things that you can control. Those are your skills and your knowledge and your personal account. So that's about it for the video. As I said, FTMO link is in the description. If you guys are interested in one-on-one coaching calls, link is in the description. Go to my website, make sure you book a call. Do like this video and subscribe. Check out my channel for more content. I also post trade recaps and forecasts 3 times per week where I tell you exactly the trades I'm taking, that I'm not taking, why I was in, why I was out, running you through my day in the live trading process and giving you full transparency. So that's it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.